Hi there, this is video 31 and it's on annuities. So we're starting to talk about savings plans. An annuity is a little bit like compound interest, except you keep making payments. So in general, you can split these things, this whole finance math, into two. Things you make one payment on, simple interest and compound interest, and ones that you make multiple payments, which is the annuities and loans. And if I haven't handed it out by now, you probably should have a lovely sheet that's got the description of them all written up in a nice key. So for example, it'd be like depositing $50 per paycheck to have money for a summer trip next year, or saving $200 per month to have a down payment in a house in 10 years. Now, let's just talk about this one for a minute. So first month, put in 50 bucks, and then you would get some interest. Let's say $1. Okay, so if it was compound interest, then the second month you would have your $50 in there plus your $1 worth of interest, and then you get interest on it. But an annuity says, and you throw in an extra 50 bucks. So now, not only are you getting interest on the original principal of 50, you added another 50, and you've got some interest. So obviously, it's going to grow way faster than compound interest because you keep adding to the principal. You're always making it bigger. Not only, so it's like you've got the principal there, you've got the interest that you earned, plus you're making another payment. So it's going to go much faster. And here is the formula. Now, please don't panic. Don't panic. Here's our formula. It looks a little scary, but we don't do it nearly in depth like we did the other ones. You're going to have to be able to solve for it. So S, which is your savings. Okay, it's your future value, how much it's going to be worth at the end, but I just find it so much easier to just say, that's what I'm going to have saved up the next number of years, and regular payment. Okay, so you got to remember R for regular payment. Those are the only two things we have to solve for. We are not going to mess around and trying to solve for interest rates or start solving for how long is this going to take to happen. That is for business or some kind of higher math program than I ever took. Okay, so following our order of operations, let's do the practice. All right, so 1 is your brackets. Is there something we can do now? Inner set of brackets. Maybe I'll just highlight it each step. This is what we're going to do first. Right, so we have brackets here. There's the outer set. We're going to deal with that inside set first. Oh, there it is, that one. So S is equal to 25, bracket. Now this part I'm going to do 1.025 to the 20th minus 1 over 0.025. Okay, brackets are still. So number 2, if I look at what's there, oh, hold on. I lost a set of brackets. There. Okay, so this set of brackets is telling me what to do. So within the second set of brackets, this exponent has priority. Because we're trying to still solve that. So S is equal to 25. Okay, now 1 point. I just lost my calculator. which is kind of embarrassing because it's not like I've moved from this spot in the last couple of hours. There we go. All right, let's do this. 1.025 power of 20. So 1.6386. I'm gonna get lazy. Minus 1. 0.025. Okay, so when we did that, we got rid of that set of brackets. Sorry, I thought I heard somebody at the door. All right, so 3 outer brackets. We're going to finish that up. We're going to do this part now. And notice I just left it on my calculator. So I'm just going to subtract 1. Boom, done. S is equal to 25 times 0.6386. And actually the 4th step, we kind of cheat. We do it all at once. So multiply the top and then divide. So I'm going to do this part first. I'm going to do those 2 steps at once and not write out anything. So I'm going to multiply by 25, and then I'm going to divide by 0.025. S is equal to 638.62. All right, 616. So this 6 makes that into a 2. So there we go. Ta-da! And that's it. So it looks really complicated, but it's not that bad. And the nice part is, again, the adjusted interest, the adjusted time periods are exactly the same as we did before. Okay, there we go, done.